Country of origin, Japan. Package weight, 5.761 kilograms. Rely on the high quality and effectiveness. Package dimensions, 17.78 cmsL by 58.42 cmsW by 72.39 cmsh. Vehicle specific. Helps protect vehicle's factory carpet against mud, sand, stains and soils. Made from a durable and flexible weather-resistant material that's easy to clean. Nibbed backing and quarter-turn fastener on driver floor liner helps keep mats in position. Black liner features ribbed channels and molded gray vehicle logo. Lightweight. Top reviews from the United States. Even better than expected. Not only do they look great but they feel amazing too. I can't rave enough about how much I already love these. The mats form to the shape of the floor, so if there is a spill the edges are tall enough to keep it contained. Not to mention how durable they seem. The back seat floor mat is incredible. Since I have dogs that ride with me, I've always had an issue with the center hump collecting dog hair. Well, not anymore. I'm so happy with this.